Atongoria arĩa mathuurĩtwo mwena wa Nyeri no maithori maraita macoka na mũciĩ makĩgeria kwĩyaria na gũtetera ikinya rĩao rĩa kũhagũra Rigathĩ wa Gachagua ta mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri. Wa ica ikuhĩ arĩ seneta wa Nyeri Wahome Wamatinga rĩrĩa arekinyĩtie kanitha-inĩ ũmwe mwena wa Othaya. Wamatinga araumirwo nĩ ngoro agĩtarĩria ũrĩa akoretwo ahinyĩrĩrĩkĩire rungu rwa Rigathĩ wa Gachagua ũrĩa ũramũikagia irumi ndũrũ mũno, ona thengia wa gũkorwo nĩwe wamũteithĩrĩrie nginya agĩthurwo Mathĩra ta mũmbunge mwaka-inĩ wa 2017 oro hamwe na kũnyitĩrĩra mũrũ wa nyina rĩrĩa acaragia gĩtĩ kĩa ngavana wa Nyeri. Wamatinga agathiĩ na mbere kuga Rigathĩ arabutaga andũ mawĩra oro ũguo na gwĩkĩra arata ake, akĩheana mũhiano na ũrĩa andĩkithirie kairĩtu ka Mathĩra ka mĩaka 23 wĩra arĩkia kũbuta wĩra mũthuri mũkũrũ. Arauga ona gatioĩ ĩrĩo na ĩteo na gakĩheo wĩra mũnene thirikari-inĩ. Arauga warĩ mũthĩ wa ruo rũnene mũthenya wa kũhagũrwo kwa Rigathĩ no gũtirĩ ũndũ angĩekire nĩ tondũ we nĩ rũrĩrĩ rwa Gĩkũyũ agitagĩra rũtikamenwo nĩ kwĩyenda mũno. Arauga nĩ marĩtie na President Ruto na kũrĩa augĩte gũtirĩ mũndũ wa rũrĩrĩ rwa Gĩkũyũ kũbutwo wĩra no nake kumbe Rigathĩ nĩwe wabutaga Gĩkũyũ wĩra. Arauga Rigathĩ nĩ mwĩyendi na mũndũ ũtendaga gũthikĩrĩria atongoria arĩa angĩ na nĩkĩo Ruto aremirwo nĩ gũrutithania wĩra nake. Ũngĩ nake wĩyumĩrĩtie na kwaria nĩ mũmbunge wa Kieni ũrĩa ugĩte we nĩaiganĩire na thirikari ĩno nĩ ũrĩa ihete Agĩkũyũ mawĩra manene mũno thirikari-inĩ. Arauga nĩ makĩria ma andũ 20 na kũmakania nĩ atĩ Ruto acagũrĩte oro andũ erĩ kuma rũrĩrĩ rwake rwa Kalenjin ngathĩ-inĩ cia igũrũ thirikari-inĩ. Arauga okorwo ũrona ta hararia maheni ũke ũmũkore na ũma waku na okorwo no manegene tu macio nĩ hot air kũrĩ we. Reke ciũmbũrane mwaka wa 2027 ũrĩ o hakuhĩ na nĩ ũkuhĩrĩirie.
Ngai nĩ mwega, Ngai nĩ ciothe. Niĩ ũmũthĩ ndĩkũkũinia mĩri mũno, gĩtũmi nĩ atĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo ngoro nĩ aria mũno na ndanaria ũru no nĩ akinya handũ hagwĩre ciugo Bishop Ndong'e. Ndong'e hinya tondũ nĩ kwĩrwo gwĩtwo kwa Bishop. Rĩrĩa andũ matoĩ I went to him for him. Na ngĩkwĩra ndarora mbere kwĩna I don't even remember that day. On the same day, ngĩthiĩ gĩcaria mũndũ gwĩtwo Injinia Maina, ngĩmwĩra mbere nyũmba ĩno itũ ĩna gĩcaria mũndũ gwĩtwo Mũtai wa Kagũra, ngĩmera nyũmba ĩno itũ ĩna na ĩna andũ gĩcaria mũndũ gwĩtwo and I want to confess mbere ya kura yakwa ndarĩkia wa 6 hours tũgĩcira kũrĩa nyũmba ĩno itũ ĩkũrora tondũ karuti karĩa twaroretio nĩ matũkĩona na Mũgĩkũyũ nĩ augire tondũ ndĩ mũrero nĩ ũcũre ĩngĩthua ndongoria ndĩkinyagĩra nyeki. Ngĩũria mũthuri ũgwĩtwo Wangũkũ what I had spoken to na Wandere 9 months ago, hĩndĩ ĩyo ndathiaga redio-inĩ kuga Agĩkũyũ ithuĩ nĩ tũkwendwo twĩbange twĩrwo indo citũ na nyũmba ya Gĩkũyũ nĩ irĩ. Mũndũ ũrĩa warĩ mũtongoria witũ mũrata wakwa mũno wa hakuhĩ ũrĩa mũrũ wa nyina akuire ndĩmũnyitĩte guoko mũtigaire Ndiritu wa Gachagua anjĩrire Wahome maũndũ macio ndũngĩmenya inyuĩ nĩ hĩndĩ mũrokire ũteti. Ngĩta mabishop a kanitha ũyũ wa Indi ngĩthiĩ kũrĩ Archbishop wa Ng'ombe and it was very painful. Very painful. Bishop, you know I've spoken with you many times. Gũtirĩ decision yarĩ nditũ ta niĩ kwĩra mũrata wakwa oinũke tondũ ndonire nĩ akũnina nyũmba itũ. Mũthuri ũrĩa ngotho nĩ aria no aciarĩ na bibumi nĩ twarĩtie na president na tũkĩiguanĩra andũ aitũ othe marĩ na gĩtĩ na ndari ũguo ndĩ mbere ya kĩgongona gũtirĩ tũkũingata. Gĩtĩ gĩa Steve brother ya mũthuri ũrĩa mũrata wakwa kĩaheirwo kairĩtu ka Mathĩra ka mĩaka 23 kairĩtu gatangĩmenya ĩrĩo kana ĩteo. It's painful. Gicoka ngeigua gukirwo ucio ni wogoka kuga andu aria magathurwo. It pains me. Ni twarire na Wangũkũ uyu ngimira Wangũkũ to nginya ndugame gite kia governor. No, I'll do the right thing for our community. Wangũkũ riria ahirwo gite gia kurugamirira maundu ma ng'ombe na ni twaritie na governor mugunda uri haria Kariceni twake research center ya guteithia andu a Nyeri. No riria twathire mbeca ikiaga. It's painful to tell you this, tondu ndeto ici ndigwiciragia ni ngaciaria ndiciaragiria twina mundu umwe wa Ndere no akwire maita maria athiite gwake mucii ngamukora nginya office tondu gutire kimenyo umwe nduraga. No umuthi tukwenda kwaria maundu macio no tondu ngotho ni amagweta ndaigua ngoro ya hinyiririka because I know the truth. Kwi maundu maingi muno tungimwira Wangũkũ uyu murona akirite haha oi maundu maingi muno ni kumagweta atana magweta uri anageria gucokaniria nyumba itu agetwo mungike uyu uri haha no tukiumiriria irumi tukiumiria gwiko matharau muthuri tanie muthuri wa kiama wina mutimia na ciana mundu akauma hagathi Meru kwanirira ndari matope na mayanga ikiria ndawigite ni thibitari yo baya ituike parastad yahititie andu a Ngai no tutikuria umuthi tuka kunyitirira bishop no ria mgotho wa mwira ithwe ni turi arata itu na ni turaugire it cannot be. We as a community we can work so hard to put a government in place and then we be the first one to castigate that government. This is the only government that has all positive indicators but being castigated by everyone. Mugirora bei ya maguta ni iraharuka. No, why don't we support the president? And that is why we told the president, we support you engaging the former president for the purpose of the unity of this country. Because there comes a time this country is bigger than ours. Aliagi makiuga Uhuru ndakaririo ithu turauga Mr. President tafadhali twakuomba na twakusihi hata wale waliofanya kazi na Uhuru Kenyatta akina Mutahi Kagwe watu ambao ni watenda kazi walete kwa serikali tufanyie hao watu kazi. Lakini tumekataa kila mtu ambaye anafuata siasa ya ukabila ati yale mambo yananena ni kutenganisha jamii ni kuunganisha jamii. We must stand with the government. Na ndiposa tunasema naibu rais aliyekalia kiti rafiki yetu Profesa Kindiki Kithure hata yeye tutamuunga mkono bora asifanye siasa za ukabila na tunafurahi vile tunaona akitembea Kenya mzima kwa sababu hii Kenya ni ya kila mtu na nyumba hii yote hado tukarekebisha. Kwa mwisho demothaithe ni mwathomero nego mwana nyumba hii ni kukera nyamu ciaci na cia ndamuthaitha mwiyandikithie andu aitu ndamuturiria mwiyandikithie you will one day tell me ni ndone na ndire mundu mukiru ndingitikira kumutania. And that is why tena mundu ugutoago when the time came to make a decision we decided kagotongoria uikare no nyumba yitu ndigatifa umuthi tukakunyitira bishop. And Bishop, I must confess, ni uraugire wega kule Sagana kanitha uyu witu wa indikirio gicokia ona twa kaharambe no ngao acia kumaruga ni magucokia mbeca jitu ngamera macokie kumaria twambire kuhota tukuma rucio macokie kumaria twambire gwika atia turehe guku indi wa Ndere Limited when I was young boy kanitha uyu wa indikirio kaharambe ngithie Kirimani gioka guku njuka na kureka ziri uri andu amaire because without I will not be where I am today. Ndikwenda kwa siasa muno ndimwire muhoere thirikari giothe kihandagwo na mawe gitũragio nĩ kĩ siasa tũtirigĩtwo ona muona twĩna Wangũkũ haha tũrĩ ndũgũ no siasa tũthikĩte atĩa kahinda gakinya nĩ tũkamũhe ũhoro. Ũmũthĩ ndikwaria mũno tondũ kĩgongona-inĩ na ngoro yakwa nĩ ũndũ wa ciugo icio ngũtho aria ndacoka ndakora mũthuri ũgwĩtwo wa Ndere harĩa ndaigua ngoro yakwa yainama. That is a hard working gentleman. Wa Ndere ndamumenyire kuma harĩ mũtigaire Ndĩritũ wa Gachagua na ndamumenyire nyũmba-inĩ yake na ndirĩ gĩtĩ ndekaga atĩa Kogo ndiokaga kanitha-inĩ gũcaria gĩtĩ. I come here to pay what you people did for me. Ndĩ mwanake wa mĩaka 19. Mũkĩnjĩkĩra harambĩ ngĩthiĩ Jerumani. And I made a covenant with my God. Ndingĩgateithĩka, I'll serve the church. And that's what I'm doing today. Tondũ ndikwenda gũkĩria hau. Ndehera kamũhuko karĩ hau. Nĩndegũgeithie Bishop. Na niĩ ndĩrerire president wetu cokagia indo. Na nĩndĩramwĩrire kanitha ya Ithuga nĩ ngatho ĩcokagia. Na andũ anjĩra ndehe. Tondũ we gũcokagia nĩ ngatho ĩkaga atĩa? Nĩ ngatho ĩkaga atĩa?
We are and where we are, and particularly we people from Mount Kenya Legion, and this is what I want to say. Going back to our government, I want to remind our people that we are 8 cabinet ministers plus a deputy president, that is 9. We are also having 2 ministers without portfolio, that is Kuria and David D. If you add up that together, we are 11 members. In fact, plus Cecily Barire, who also sits in the cabinet, and sworn in to sit in the cabinet. So in total, we are 4 in the cabinet. We are 24. So we are hard. Now, having said that, I want to say that this is a government that after election, they really returned the favor we gave them by giving us 12 cabinet positions. And when we say that, it is also good to remind ourselves that Ruto, as the president, he has 2 cabinet ministers. That is Murkomen and Shilchi. That is, he has 2 cabinet ministers plus the president. Well, we have 12 cabinet ministers plus the deputy president, plus of course the central government, central bank governor, plus the chief of defense forces, plus the inspector general of the police, plus there are several very senior positions. Having said that, it is also good to remind ourselves of our numbers in this country. We want to remind ourselves, we can't count ourselves without reminding who we are in the voter law. We are 22.5 million voters in Kenya, according to the 22 voter law. Out of 22.5, Kikuyu, Meru, Embu, we are 80.5. So if we don't integrate ourselves with other Kenyans, it means that we are going to pit ourselves against 14.5 million voters. And if we are 8.5, there is no way we can defeat these people. So the best thing I would advise our people is we integrate ourselves with the rest of Kenyans. And having said that also, it is also good to remind ourselves of our numbers in the parliament. We are 349 members of the parliament. Out of 349, we are 85 members from the Kikuyu, Embu, Meru community. So if you get to 349 minus 85, the rest of Kenyans have 264 members of parliament. So we cannot push our single agenda and defeat 264. It is the English saying that if you can't beat them, join them. I'm asking other members of parliament like myself, we join the list and we debate for Kenya. We should not reduce ourselves to debate for a section or a region of our country. And having said that, I'm sure Kenyans are listening to me. And if you doubt anything, go back to Nairobi. Nairobi, we have never had a governor. And out of 17 electoral votes in Nairobi, we only have 6. So 11 go to other tribes of this country, and which is good also. So it should never arise to in our mind that we are minority. Yes, we are majority, but we are super minority. No, but not super majority. We cannot go beyond 50%. So as much as know that Kenyans are going to react to my conversation, I would also want them to think these facts, to think in them that we have said the fact. And anybody who doesn't have the facts, he should know them now. And I would only want to be challenged on the facts. Without facts, it can only, I don't want to say that Madam Kwame said it is hot here. Challenge me on fact of what I've said.
chungu.
Kompyuta hakuna, wanasema sijui mara hakuna kompyuta. Huyu alikuwa amekuja admission. Hakuna kompyuta.
Wewe ni student.
Wewe student. Na hakuna kompyuta, hata kompyuta hata sasa hata unakuja kufanya nini? Shule iangaliwe, serikali iangalie shule vizuri.
Hii ni vibaya sana. Hii ni vibaya sana.
Wanasema ni haki na hapa hakuna haki.
Mimi mwenyewe nimeregister as a student. Kuja hapa ndani.
Hii ni kwa kiambiwa kesho unakuwa kesho mtoto kwa hewa. Bwana Januari inawezekana kweli. Ile lazima unakaa kwa hewa. Baba kompyuta mtoto anakuja
kwa kompyuta today. Nilikuwa naanza kompyuta leo. Mimi mwenyewe ninajiita Nakuru Technical Training College. Hii ni college ambayo wanatuambia ni college na yeye hapa angalia hakuna computers. Mimi nimelipa 1000 na natakana nilipe 3500. I already have paid 1000. Hii ni zile technical colleges which are very fake. It's very wrong. Hii ni mbaya sana. Wewe soja, kwani hapa kunaendelea nini? Sisi tunakuja college na kuna
sisi hatuwezi sogeni mbele. Tunafanya ukora na ni wakora wako hapa. Si unaona wanatoroka? These are wakora. We cannot allow this to happen in our city. Kujeni hapa wazazi, nataka kuongelesha media.
Mimi kwanza nimekuja kufundishwa leo, no computer nothing. Only halls.
Kwa majina ni Benson Masharia ambaye ni mwenyekiti wa marafiki wa ugatuzi na pia accountability forum katika Nakuru yetu. For the last 1 week tumepata habari ya kwamba kuna wanafunzi ambao wamekuwa wakiandikishwa kwa hii building ati wanaenda kusoma masuala ya kompyuta na all the studies baka health sciences na kila kitu. Sisi tumejiuliza kwa sababu hata sasa huyu mwenye tuko na yeye hapa ni mwanafunzi. Alichukuliwa pesa yake ya registration na akaambiwa report leo kwa darasa. Tulipofika huko hakuna kitu yenye inaendelea. Sisi tumepata ripoti ya kwamba hata huyu aliregister hako mpaka na receipt hapa. Ole na siku ya kwamba yeye alikuwa anataka kusoma mambo ya kompyuta na tumekuja tukagundua hii institution hawana kompyuta hata moja. Hawana hata desk. Tunajiuliza what kind of school is this? Na saa hizi hao watu tunajua wana target ya kwamba watashika wanafunzi wale ambao saa hizi wamemaliza form 4 ndio waanze kutapeli watoto wetu. Na ndio tumekuja hapa sisi kama wazazi pamoja na wanaharakati. Tumesema hii mambo ya utapeli ambayo inafanyika katika mji wa Nakuru, wazazi wananyang'anywa pesa na wakilagaiwa na watu ambao wanajiita walimu, hiyo maneno lazima ifike mwisho. Na tumeenda kwa director wa TVET akatuambia hawa watu hata waonekane kwa kompyuta. Hawana license, hawana public health, hawana anything yenye inahitajika na college. Na wanajiita Nakuru Technical Training College. Hatuwezi kubaliana watu wanakuja wanatoa baka mabroshua kama hizi, wanadanganya wanapeana huko na hakuna shule ambayo iko hapa. Kwa hivyo watu wa Nakuru lazima wajue leo sisi kama wazazi pamoja na wanaharakati tumesema ya kwamba haitawezekana tena. Tutaendelea kuraid hizi institutions zote mpaka tuhakikishe wazazi wetu wa Nakuru hawajaporwa. Na sisi pia tunataka kuambia kuna zile education institution ambazo zinasaidia watoto hapa Nakuru. Kama Rift Valley Business Studies ambazo ziko sawa, kuna Nakuru International College, kuna wale ambao wanajiita Masketia na wale wengine. These are the institutions ambazo tumetembelea tukajua wako na stakabadhi ambazo zinahitajika. Na sasa sisi tumeshangaa wakati tunaona ya kwamba tunakuja hapa hawana document hata moja. Tumeingia kwa ofisi, wameanza kutoroka. Wamefunga wakatoroka kwa sababu wanajua wamekuwa wakichukua pesa za wanafunzi na wanajua hawataweza kusaidia watoto wetu. Sisi tunampea director wa TVET Education, tunampea 1 week. Tunampea makataa ya siku masaa 24 ya kwamba akuwe amekuja hapa na afunge institution, na tutaki kuwasikia mara moja. Ni kweli wazazi? Hatutakubaliana ya kwamba wazazi wa Nakuru tutaendelea kutapeliwa huku tukiwa na serikali na viungo muhimu za serikali ambazo wameshindwa kusaidia watu wa Nakuru. Nimeandika hii barua na tunajua ya kwamba wataweza kuchukua hatua, na sisi tukikuta wamefungua hapa tena, mpaka mwenye hii building tumemuuliza list ya miaka 5 ya kuoneshana wanafunzi wetu watapata masomo iko wapi, amekataa. Hata caretaker ametoroka. So we are not going to allow this and we are going to demand more arrest.
Kwa majina nianze. Kwa majina naitwa Simon Sangale Ole Nasieku na ninasikitika sana. Kwa majina naitwa Simon Sangale Ole Nasieku, mkaaji wa Nakuru, na matumaini yangu ya kujiendeleza kimaisha siku ya leo imepata pigo kubwa sana. Mimi kama ambaye nimekuwa nikifuata maagizo ya serikali, Rais wetu William Samoei Ruto alituambia tuende kufanya kazi za online. Nami last week on Wednesday nilikuja mahali hapa nikafanya registration kama mwanafunzi wa kompyuta, na nikaambiwa kwamba nikuje darasa siku ya leo. This is the evidence. Nilikuja mahali hapa nikalipa receipt deposit ya 1000, na nikaambiwa kwamba nitakapokuja katika hii college ambao wanajiita Nakuru Technical Training College nitapata wameweka computers, watakuwa na wanafunzi wengine, watakuwa pia na walimu ambao wamehitimu. Na nilipokuja mahali hapa siku ya leo nimehuzunika sana. Nimekuja hapa nikiwa na matumaini, nimekuja mpaka na kitabu changu cha kujifundisha, na nimeshangaa nimekutana na wengine wenzangu hapa wametoka katika biashara ward ambapo MCA alikuwa amewatuma mahali hapa waweze kuchukua stakabadhi zitakazowawezesha kupata fedha kupitia ile ward kiti ili wajiendeleze katika masomo ya kompyuta. Rais wetu William Samoei Ruto, tafadhali isiwe kwamba colleges zinafunguliwa Kenya za kutapeli wa Kenya. Ikiwa hii ni college moja ambayo mimi nilikuwa nafikiria kwamba nitajifundisha kompyuta, nianze kupata kazi ya online kwa sababu hizi kazi zingine zimekuwa ngumu. Hiyo pesa ya kwenda huko Dubai 184,000 mimi sina. Hiyo pesa ya kwenda Qatar huko na kina Alfred Mutua anapeleka watu huko, mimi sina hiyo pesa. Hata juzi nimeona kuna ingine ya watu wa bodaboda sijui 170,000, mimi sina hiyo pesa. Kitu nilikuwa natazamia ya kwamba nitaweza kuregister ni 3,500 baada ya mwezi moja niweze kujua kompyuta, na baada ya kujua kompyuta niweze kuanza kazi ya online. Nasikia watu wanapata 5,000, 6,000 kwa kila siku, na ile kazi mimi napataka siku hizi ni shilingi 500, 600, na iwezi siwezi jikimu kimaisha. Kwa hivyo naomba President wetu William Samoei Ruto na serikali yake na Waziri Ogambo, tafadhali, tumekuwa tukisikia EACC wamekuwa wakipambana na institution ambazo zinapatiana fake degrees. Mimi nafikiria Nakuru Technical Training College is one of the colleges ambazo zinataka kuoffer fake degrees. Mimi nimeona huzuni sana. Who will compensate me for this? Huyu msichana alikuwa anakuja kujiandikisha, nimekutana naye pale, tulikuwa na hopes. Sijui ni course gani alikuwa anafanya. Pia Germany wanasema wana train Germany, wana train French. Na mimi hata nikiangalia watu wako pale sioni kama wanajua French ama Germany. Naomba Mungu atusaidie katika taifa la Kenya. Na ule director wa TVET nimesikia mwenzangu ameongea juu yake. Ikiwa wewe ni director wa TVET unakaa pale katika ofisi pale headquarter, haufanyi kitu chochote, there is need for vetting. Kama vile serikali ilifanya vetting ya boarding facility katika Kenya na institution 300 zikapatikana they don't qualify. We want the director of TVET. Kama ningejua ningeenda kule Rift Valley Institute of Business Studies. Kama ningejua ningeenda hata kule Nakuru International College. Kama ningejua ningeenda hata na Mascatias College. Ama ningeenda kule Rift Valley Institute of Science and Technology. Lakini sasa jamani, na hivi vitu yote wanaofa, unaona watu wamevaa mpaka nguo zinakaa kama ni Ulaya, na kumbe hakuna mambo kama haya. No branding, nothing. Nimekalishwa kwa kiti nikapatiwa laptop. Mimi hata sijaitumia laptop, nimeanza kuwekea blackboard, nataka kufundishwa. Mimi naomba kabisa mambo kama haya yaweze kufika mwisho, na Governor Susan Kihika, kwa sababu mambo ya hii education TVET na nini, some of them are devolved. You must be very careful. Tusiwe tunaanza kuleta watu ambao wako na fake degrees, fake certificates. Hapa ndio wale watu ambao wanapata hata courses zingine nimesikia mpaka hata ya health support services. Hawa ni wale watu wanakudunga sindano ujui kama ni ya ng'ombe ama ni ya mwanadamu. Kwa hivyo please, we need action immediately ili kwamba tuweze kuarrest this situation as fast as possible. Thank you.